Two burglar got more than they bargained for recently after picking the wrong house to break into. Garfield Morgan, 54, and his 36-years-old accomplice friend Kim Gordon are both career burglars, having stolen from 100 of homes in their lives. But it's unlikely they will go back to crime after the nasty episode they experienced in the home of one Florida man. Harry Harrington is 6'7" and weighs over 300 lbs. It's pure muscle. He's a notorious gay sex predator who has served time in jail for numerous sexual assaults. An aggressive and predatory offender, he's not the kind of man you want to annoy. But that's just what Morgan and Gordon did that fateful night. Harrington, known as the Wolf Man, easily overpowered the man, tied them up and assaulted them for 5 full days. Police only intervened after neighbor heard the men's cries for help and called them. As you can see, the men were extremely traumatized by their ordeal. What they went through is inexcusable, but many online commentators are saying that they deserve some kind of retribution for their crimes. Though we tend to think that a spell in prison is probably more fair. They broke in my front door, so I broke in their back doors, the Wolfman told police on his arrest. The men face burglary charges while Harrington is looking at another stricken side for his actions.